HIV/AIDS, two words that bring us into a moment of silence. According to the Joint United Nations Programme on HIV/AIDS, as of 2017, about 77.3 million people have been infected with HIV since the start of the epidemic, of which 35.4 million people have died from AIDS-related illness. HIV is a chronic, lifelong condition. People living with HIV normally take daily antiretroviral therapy to stay healthy and prevent complications. A cure for HIV is still greatly needed and has become a global research priority. However, a small number of people who contract HIV can live with the virus without needing treatment. This subset of HIV-positive individuals who maintain high CD4 and CD8 T cells remain therapy naive and persistently infected with HIV for more than 15 to 20 years. In light of current observation, this subset can be divided into two groups. One showed low detectable plasma viremia less than 5,000 HIV RNA copies per milliliter, termed long-term non-progressors. A second group showed plasma HIV RNA value persistently below 50 copies per milliliter throughout the course of infection and termed elite or nature controllers. The feature common between these two groups are the presence of high CD4 and CD8 T cells, strong immune responses, and low but variable cellular proviral DNA load. The group of HIV-positive long-term non-progressive individuals comprise about 1% of the total HIV population, whereas elite controllers may be much less. The question is, why do some people deteriorate faster, while others remain both symptomatically and immunologically for decades? There is a renewed interest in HIV-positive individuals who have survived since the period close to the early part of the HIV pandemic in 1980s and have remained drug naive. My research interests generally would like to explore the mechanism which allow elite controllers to maintain low detectable viral load and furthermore to mimic this mechanism of viral control to be induced in non-controllers and result in functional cure. Thus, understanding the mechanism responsible for this untreated, spontaneous and exceptional control of HIV infection may be crucial for the development of HIV vaccine that provide protection from disease progression and for the development of novel anti-HIV therapy. The advanced combination of antiretroviral therapy revolutionized the treatment of HIV infection but has failed to deliver definite cure. Even with good immune responses, we don't have much choice at current stage but to be dependent on antiretroviral therapy in long term. We are halfway there, but if we want to eradicate HIV, we need to use data in granular and dynamic way. We have to maintain our energy and our commitment and not to stop until it's actually over.